Hello, my beautiful family, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Oh, yeah, my correctlistic people, you know the way I talk and before say, as the news they come now, so I go the dive in for una. Say una no go regret, say una come across this channel. Hey, no be so I got a talk I tell una say anything when they happen me, I go dig inside the hole, take bring the truth come out. The one I can't give una today be the one where be say it does seke between Simon Ekpa, Kaluta Kanu, hey, DOS. You see, they make one parable say, Mama when he stand, and pikin when he climb. Say where that mama they see or where that papa they see. Say that pikin even if you like make it climb several trees. Where be say e long where say e no go fit see am o. You know say all this why Simon Ekpa dey cry. He dey cry. Even get one dey say Simon Ekpa come make video to an extent say he come dey shed tears for the live stream. And una know say pikin when e dey cry, e no dey stop. Na something that make am dey cry. Until you give her that thing or you pet am, e no go fit stop the cry. Every day I go say, Simon Ekpa, make you rest. This matter wey you just carry for head like government work, e never do you. Simon Ekpa go tell me say, I can shower pro, no worry. After I expose this chapter finish, I no go do anything again. Make I tell una, after Simon Ekpa expose that chapter finish, another chapter go still open. But I no really know where this problem dey come from. But today, I wan tell una say me, I can shower pro. I don't know the problem of Simon Ekpa. I don't know why Simon Ekpa say until the truth come out, he no go fit rest. It can't happen say Simon Ekpa na the code. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na the password. Na be wetin me wan tell una so. Una know say this account when Simon Ekpa dey put every time, DOS go say never, this account no be we go use. DOS go put, Simon Ekpa go take dey say never, nothing like Eastern Security Network account. This account na fake, no be original. This one when I dey use na be original. All of us we dey confused, we dey look the matter say true, where this sticker dey come from? All right, my wonderful family, abeg, make I pause, make I play the voice note of Kaluta Kanu for una. Then I go come back, make I go touchlight the matter.
Nnamdi Kanu made a decision to open a new account, ESN account. This Kaluta Kanu, when I posted that account, this Kaluta Kanu contacted me and told me that account is fake. And he called the people flaunting that account criminals. Do you want me to play the voice?
How do you post through this thing here, this account? Please disassociate yourself from this account. It doesn't exist. There won't do shit. Yes, it doesn't have any account. The Dr. Koli, there with the criminals, the rogue elements in America. And I'm going to say something about it today when I go on there. Something can draw your attention. I saw it somewhere in this thing. Please remove that and disassociate yourself from these people. They're all criminals looking for people to incriminate. Thank you.
Una see matter inside Matthias. They say the worm when he dey eat cola, na inside the cola na e dey dey. No tell me say person go carry your family matter come outside when members of the family, one person, even quarter, in mind go must dey when they give them the orientation, the strategies of how they go take get you. So una see this cry when Simon Ekpa dey cry since. Kaluta Kanu don already tell Simon Ekpa say no dey do with these people. Say these people say they be criminal. Kaluta say Simon Ekpa say DOS they be criminals. Say make he comot himself from them. Una come know why everything come out. Una wan hear. Why Simon Ekpa come vex come outside so be say yesterday, that is brother Ikenga come interview Kaluta Kanu. When he interviewed him, he come answer say, do you believe in the freedom of Biafra? He say yes. He come still talk say he don't travel many places when he dey in the work of Biafra, say he get a lot of work when in they do where be say people no know say they do that work. He say na because they come out they talk where and wetin in they do for Biafra where be say indoors where be say people no know about. Say he no wan just talk anything too much. So say he just the one the day in your lane the way it supposed be. My people, you will never believe this one. No be he call talk say he too much believe in DOS. Say DOS, they be truthful people. Say DOS, and na dem go fit lead a pilot this Biafra agitation to the promised land. Say in the aspect of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, say the DOS they do a very great job. They go see ask am about Simon Ekpa. My people, make I not even go that side. Now that he come make Simon Ekpa come provoke. Meanwhile, you don't tell Simon Ekpa say make it disassociate himself from these people, make it comot his body from these people. Say make it not even eat with them, make it not dance with them. Say if you see DOS they come for this side, say make Simon Ekpa pass this road. Now confusion don't dey everywhere. But you Kalu Takanu, my big brother, my daddy, you don't forget to tell the DOS say once upon a time you discourage Simon Ekpa. Now you make Simon Ekpa dey feel say true say the DOS they be criminals. My people, I no see how I take talk this matter wrong or how this matter take go. You brother, uncle, evangelist Kalu Takanu, you never come out come tell us wetin dey really dey sup or wetin dey really dey happen. You never come out now come debug this issue about wetin Simon Ekpa talk now. I be this voice note now, this voice record no be your own. Say na Simon Ekpa senior brother voice record be this one. Abeg, we need to invite Kalu Takanu make he come tell us if really say na his voice or Simon Ekpa don duplicate this thing. Make we tell no, because this matter, my people, we go follow am up. If true say this worm when they eat this collar, if they inside this collar, I be saying the peace already guaranteed for Biafrans. Because you know say when somebody they fight you, for instance, somebody they quarrel with you, somebody they vex with you, and you don't know what you do, you know say that kind of thing they pain. If you don't know, make I tell you, say if somebody they vex for you and you don't know what you do, you don't know your offense, you don't know your crime, you just discover say this person they vex with you. My people, that thing can pain. Ask anybody, ask question, they go tell you that thing they pay from A to Z. Now be waiting they pay Simon Ekpa. You when you call tell me say me cannot they near these people again. These people they be criminal. Now you they say these people good. Say now me Simon Ekpa na not good. My correct people. Now the cocoa be that too. And Simon Ekpa don't promise us say he go bring more. He say he go bring more than this. So he say go dig all the pit. He go bring everything come out. Say this one na just phrase 1. Say phrase 2 they come, because he does say get a lot to expose. So me, I still want to say make the DOS make they come talk about this matter, about this issue. Some people they follow you, they laugh for front, but for back they be your enemy. Back. No get them twisted. They be your enemies. Back. So now that thing that come make me come out, come talk and say, Kalu Takanu get a lot of questions to answer true. DOS, una still get a lot of questions to answer true, because now the sword they open. Everybody now, thank God say, Chika Adezomo say, in they come and they call address Biafra on 1st of January. My people, I beg carry your signboard, your sign paper, your cardboard paper, your biro and your pencil. They write everything down when we say you go ask Shinasa. Because now they pilot this dance when be say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not dey. So I beg all of us they go they represent for there that day. So my wonderful family, now waiting me bring up give una be this. So I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel and you don't they enjoy all this Okporo get 1, 2, 1, 3 news, I beg may you click on that red subscribe button when it says subscribe, and may you turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say Bye.